Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Weiser Smart Lock in 2026. So first of all, you need to start from the inside part of the Weiser Smart Lock. You need to simply remove the battery cover and then pull out all the battery packs completely. At this point, the keypad should turn fully off. Now, when you are inside this particular compartment, you should simply take a look at the program button. So you just have to hold this particular program button. While still holding it, you can reinsert the battery pack into the lock. Just keep holding the program button for at least 30 seconds or until you see the red light flashes and until you hear several beeps. Now this is the part that actually clears the old user codes, the lock settings, the schedules and the previous pairings. Now you need to release the power button and then press the power button one more time. Now if the reset works correctly, the LED flash is going to be flashed green and the lock is also going to beep again. This is going to confirm that the lock is now back to the factory reset. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.